Focus lang!
Attitude!
Attitude!
Malapit na!
Malapit na!
Malapit na!
Malayo na!
Attitude!
Attitude!
Sundalo!
Sundalo!
Positive!
Positive!
Of course, nagkaroon tayo ng rock march kung saan pinakita dito yung dedikasyon at motivation ng ating mga bike company. Ang purpose ng ating second Isarog Challenge, ito ay palagi nating ginagawa every quarter, no? Kung saan pinapakita dito ang teamwork ng ating mga kasamahan bike company, at ito ay pinapakita din ang kanilang galing at ang skills nila. At of course, ang camaraderie at ang or unity ng nabubuo sa mga kasamahan, no?
So una-una, napakagandang activity po nung sinagawa natin ngayong araw na ito as part ng Isarog Challenge sa part 2 kilometer Rucksack March. So nakita natin yung iba't ibang company mula Alpha to Foxtrot na nagbigay sa kanilang best para sa kanilang company. At saka makita na yung leadership ng mga bawat involved sa sa company nila.
Patibay din ito or napapalakas din ito sa kumpiyansa sa sarili bilang isang sundalo. Dahil tinitiis natin kahit anong pagod man or kahit namumulikat na yung iba, tinitiis nila, tinutulungan nila yung nahihirapan na.
Nade-develop din ito na maging disiplinadong sundalo kasi yung health natin dapat nating alagaan palagi.
Walang pawis! Walang pawis!
What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys.
Wala sa kalahati na kayo! Kalahati na! Kalahati na!
That one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? No, 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 so man, I give you